In this video, I will show you how to connect Shopify to N8n. Start by opening N8n and going to the workflow where you want to integrate Shopify. Click the plus icon to add a new node. In the search bar, type Shopify and select it. You will see two options, actions and triggers. For this example, we will use a trigger and select on order created, but you can choose whichever option fits your needs. To move forward, we need to connect Shopify to N8n using credentials. Click on Select Credential and then choose Create New Credential. There are three pieces of information you will need. These are your shop domain, your API access token, and your API secret key. Let's begin with the shop domain. Open your Shopify admin, go to Settings in the bottom left, then click Domains. If you have a custom domain added, ignore that. What you need is the myshopify.com subdomain. You can also find it in your address bar. Copy only the part that ends in myshopify.com, that is your subdomain. Go to N8n in the shop domain section, paste the myshopify domain that you copied earlier from your Shopify settings. Make sure you only paste the part that ends with myshopify.com and not any custom domain. After pasting the domain, go back to Shopify. Next, go to Apps and Sales Channels. Click Develop Apps, then click Create an App. Give your app a name, for example N8n, and click Create App. Now go to Configure Admin API Scopes. This is where you decide what N8n can access in your store. Since we are using a trigger for new orders, select Read Orders, but there is an important detail here. If you select only read orders, N8n will not connect successfully. You also need to select Read Products. If you do not do this, when you go back into N8n, it will say connection failed and it will be confusing. So make sure you select both read orders and read products. If you are building more complex automations, you can add other scopes as needed. Once you have chosen the scopes, click Save. Go to the Overview page of your app and install it by clicking Install App in the top right. Once the app is installed, you will be able to see your admin API access token. Click Reveal Token once and copy it immediately because you will not be able to view this token again later. Paste this token into N8n in the Access Token field. Now scroll down to see your API secret key and copy it as well. Paste that into N8n in the corresponding field. At this point, you will have entered your subdomain, your access token, and your secret key into N8n. Click Save. If everything was done correctly, you will see connection tested successfully. Your Shopify account is now fully connected, and you can start pulling in data such as orders, customers, or product information directly into your workflows.